Hello friends, welcome back to Arithmetic Progression. In this session also we are continuing our important questions. Okay, so our next question is, how many terms of AP 45, 39, 33 and so on must be taken so that their sum will be 180? Question is asking and saying that this is our AP. How many terms must be taken so that their sum will be 180? Okay. So students, what is the formula of sum of n terms? Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. This Sn should be 180, but how many terms should be added so that the sum will be 180? Sn is equals to 180, which is already given, n by 2 into a plus an. A is 45, an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, in this question our a is 45. Okay, what is a? A is 45. What is an? A plus n minus 1 into d. So what is a? 45. This will also 45. So when we add 45 plus 45, it will be 90. A plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 into 90 plus n minus 1 into minus 6. What is d? Minus 6. 39 minus 45 will be minus 6. So 180 into 2 is 360. N into 90 minus 6n plus 6. 360 is equals to n into 96 minus 6n. What is our linear equation? It will be minus 6n square plus 96n equals to 360. Okay. When we remove our minus, it will become 6n square minus 96n plus 360 is equals to 0. Because when we remove minus, it will change the sign of all remaining terms. Okay, so we will write down this equation. 360 is equals to minus 6n square plus 96n. It will become 6n square minus 96n plus 360 is equals to 0. After changing negative sign, take out 6 common, n square minus, what is 96? It will be n minus 6 into n minus 10 is equals to 0. After solving this linear equation, our equation will be 6 into n minus 6 into n minus 10. We will divide this 6 by 0 with 0. So n minus 6 into n minus 10 will become equals to 0. So our value of n is 6 and value is 10. So values are 6 and 10. Okay. Now our next question is, find the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Terms are 1 by p, 1 minus p by p, 1 minus 2p by p. What is an? A plus n minus 1 into d. We have to find out the value of d, which is common difference. D is a2 minus a1. So d will be, this is a2, this is a1. 1 minus p upon p minus 1 upon p equals to p minus p square, 1 minus p minus 1 upon p. LCM is same. So this will be minus p by p, which will be cancelled out. So the value of d is minus 1. Common difference is minus 1. Okay. So this is the simplest question for short type questions. Okay. Now we will solve some more questions. Now students, our next question is, what is the common difference of AP in which A21 minus A7 is equals to 84? This is some different kind of question from previous questions. This is little bit different. A21 minus A, the value of n is given. 21th term minus 7th term of an AP is equals to 84. So A21 will be A plus n minus 1 into D. A21 will be A plus 21 minus 1 will be 20. So A21 is A plus 20D. What is A7? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is n? N is 7. So 6D. So A21 minus A7 is equals to 84. What is A21 and what is A7? A plus 20D minus A plus 6D, which is equals to 84, already given in the question. Okay. A plus 20D minus A minus 6D is equals to 84. A and A will be cancelled out. 20D minus 6D will be 14. D is equals to 84. D is equals to 84 upon 14. This will be cancelled out from 2. 42. D is equals to 6. So the common difference is 6. What we have done in this question, we have finded out the value of A21 and A7 from the AN formula. Then we have added the values of A21 and we have subtracted the values of A21 and A7. After that, we have finded out the value of D. D is 6. Common difference is 6. Now our next question is, the angles of triangle are in AP. The least being half the greatest, find the angles. Read the question twice. Angles of triangle. There are 3 sides of triangle. So there will be 3 angles of a triangle which are in AP. The least being half the greatest. The least angle will be equal to greatest angle when we half that the value of least will be half, then it will be equal to the value of the greatest one. Okay. So we have to find the values of angles. Okay. So let the angles are A minus D, comma A plus D. Suppose these are the angles. When we sum these 3 values of angles, then it will be remain 3A. Minus D and plus D will not give any difference to our question. Okay. We have mentioned this D because this D plays an important role in the formula. That's why we have mentioned this D, but it doesn't make any change because minus D and plus D will be cancelled out when we take the sum. Okay. So our first term is a minus d, our second term is a, our third term is a plus d. Okay students. The sum of three angles of a triangle, the sum of angles will be 180 degree, that we have already know in our triangle chapters. Sum of angle of triangles is equals to 180 degree. So a minus d plus a plus d will be equal to 180. This d and the d will be cancelled out. 3a is equals to 180. A is equals to 60 degree. Value of a is 60. Now we can find out the values of angles. Okay. So what is the value of a? A is equals to 60 degree. Now what is the condition given in the question? Least value is being half of the greatest value. Okay. What is the least value? In these angles, a minus d is the least value. So a minus d is equals to half of the greatest. What is the greatest? A plus d. It will be half. Least value is being half the greatest value. Okay. Greatest value is a plus d. Then we take half of the greatest value. It will be equal to the least value. What is a? A is 60. 60 minus d is equals to 60 plus d upon 2. 120 minus 2d is equals to 60 plus d. Okay. 120 minus 60 is equals to d plus 2d. 2d plus d is equals to 3d. 120 minus 60 will be 60 is equals to 3d. d is equals to 60 by 3, which is 20. The value of d is 20. So now we will put the value of d and a in the values of angles which we have assumed. So angles will be a minus d, comma a plus d. What is a? 60. What is d? 20, comma 60, comma 60 plus 20. 60 minus 20 will be 40. 40, comma 60, comma 80. This is our required AP. Or we can say that these are our angles. 40, 60, 80 is our required arithmetic progression. These angles are in arithmetic progression. Now our next question is, which term of an AP is the first negative term? This is our AP. We have to find our first negative term of this AP. Okay. What is D? Common difference 77 by 4 minus 20. A2 minus A1. This is A2, this is A1. 77 minus 80 upon 4 will be minus 3 by 4. So common difference will be minus 3 by 4. A is already given 20. What is An? A plus n minus 1 into D. An should be less than 0. Condition is An should be less than 0. Then it will be said that our term is negative. So A is 20, n is as it is, D is minus 3 by 4 and equals to An. This should be less than 0. Okay. 20 plus minus 3 by 4 n plus 3 by 4 less than 0. When we add 20 and 3 by 4, it will be 80. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 n, which is less than 0. Okay, this 4 will be taken in the right hand side, and it will become 0. When we multiply 4 with 0, it will be 0. So 83 minus 3n less than 0 will be our required equation. Then we will solve it further. 83 minus 3n is less than 0 because 4 will be multiplied with 0. 83 is less than 3n. We will take this 3n in the right hand side and will become 83 by 3. So value of n is 83 by 3. Okay. So n is equals to 27.5. The value of nth term is 27.5, which we can write 28. So at 28th value, our first term will be negative. Okay. Now our last question of this session is find the 60th term of an AP. Our AP is 8, 10, 12 and so on. If it has a total number of 60 terms, total terms are 60, then find the sum of last 10 numbers. What is A? 8. What is D? 2. So we have to find out the sum of last 10 terms. A60 will be A plus n minus 1 into D. 8 plus 59D will be equal to 60th term. A60 is equals to A plus 8 plus 59D. We have to find out the sum of 10 terms. Okay. So what we will do? A51 to A60 will be 10 terms. We have to find the sum of these. Okay. So A51 will be A plus 50D. What is A? 8 plus 50 into 2. This will become 108. A60 will be 8 plus 59 into 2. Okay. Which will be equal to 126. So A51 and A60 will be added. Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus An. What is n? N is as it is, n by 2. The sum of 10 terms will be A51 plus A60 is equals to n by 2 into 126 plus 108. This will be n terms, the sum of n terms. So n is equals to 10 and this will become 126 plus 108 is 234. 5 into 234, which is 1170. So the sum of last 10 terms will be 1170 because there are 60 terms. A51 to A60 will be 10 terms. So the sum of these will be 1170. Okay. Thank you, students.